Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here. What it do? And today, you guys, is day 3 of Unboxmas. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you all, day 3 Unboxmas. This was inspired by our good sis Forever Ebony. And this is not a bag per se, but I saw this and I was like, usually I'll go to the mall and take a peek, but I haven't had time to really go to the mall like, you know, usual. So I looked and looked and looked and I was like, girl, go ahead and order it. I want to say I ordered this, girl, sometime early November or something. And as you can see, we're just now opening this as well. So, I don't know where my box cutter thingy is. She has got, I'll just order another one. Golly, come on. Okay. Okay. Alright, y'all. This is from Marc Jacobs. Here's my receipt. Okay. And I ordered, you all can tell maybe by the size, I ordered I think I got weak, y'all. I ordered a beauty bag. And I ordered the beauty bag in black, you guys, of all colors, right? I was so torn. This is so cute. Y'all, this would be a cute little bag, like to just, I'll take this to dinner, sure would. This is so cute. But I really was torn between black, the green, because y'all know I'm a sucker for green, and the red, because, you know, the red with this. But I wear my Louis Vuitton stuff with this. But I thought this would be good for like travel as well. So that's really why I went with black. And black is classic. Y'all know you can't ever go wrong with black. But Forever Ebony inspired me to get this. And y'all, this is so cute. It's bigger than I thought. It's worth the coin, y'all. I want to say this is like $95. It's worth it. Yes, ma'am. Look at that. And it comes like with the little wristlet. That's it, yeah. What a pack! Don't embarrass me. This zipper is so smooth. Yes, look at that. Okay, and it's just stuffed on the inside. It has a dust bag. Little care booklet. So it has the okay, it has the Marc Jacobs Creed right there on the back. You can see with the white writing. Warning, contents may cause compliments, Marc Jacobs. Huh? That's cute. It's just an open hole. You can get a cute little insert or something to go inside of here. It does not have feet. Yeah, I love this. I love this. It has a little story patch on the back. This is so cute, y'all. Will I get another one? I may. I may wind up with one in red. I don't know. But y'all, this is so, girl, it's worth the coin. It's worth it. Oh, I love this. And then this will be a cute little, you know what I'm saying? Girl, we going out, cute little clutch or something, sis, for you to go out. I love it. What do we think, y'all? I love it. I love it. So, alright, you guys. So, this concludes day 3 of Unboxmas. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will have this link down below for you all. I love you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.